Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please leave a like. Welcome to this tutorial on how to blur a photo on an iPhone. Blurring a photo can help emphasize certain parts or create a beautiful depth of field effect. Let's get started. First, open your App Store and search for Blur Photo. We have many options here, but we will tap this one. Install it. After doing so, open the app. Now in the Blur Photo homepage, tap on Blur. Select the photo that you wanted to edit. You can resize your photo here, and once you are satisfied, tap Done. In the editing section, tap on Blur. Now move your finger where you want the blur effect to be applied. Once done, tap Next. You can also add filters here. If you are finished editing, tap the Share button. After tapping it, it will automatically save the photo that you just edited in your photos. Congratulations! You have successfully blurred the photo on your iPhone. You can now use the edited photo as desired, whether it's for sharing on social media or printing. Feel free to explore other editing options available in the Photos app to enhance your photos further. Thank you for watching!